Snow covers the small village, and Christmas lights shine while elves sing happily. In the village lives a kind elf named Aura, who loves helping others. Aura finds a lost bell near the snowy road and hears gentle magic. The bell belongs to Santa and guides gifts to warm hearts everywhere. Aura proudly starts the journey to return to Santa his magic bell. Aura walks through forests and towns and meets animals needing help today. She shares food smiles and songs, and a bell glows bright nearby. Cold night comes, but hope stays strong as friends gather around fires. Aura follows stars to Santa workshop and knocks with courage to the door. Santa smiles and thanks Aura, and the bell sings joy for all. Together they deliver gifts and laughter to every home with love tonight. Morning arrives and the village celebrates kindness sharing and peace with joy. Aura rests happily, knowing small acts create big Christmas magic for everyone. Moral of the story: kindness and sharing bring joy, and small good actions make Christmas magical for everyone.